ituthuko, evolution. There's evolution in almost all the corners la emhlabeni. Kunetuthuko esikweni. Inkulumo yami namhlanje ngizoyichingisa epointini yesiko. It will revolve around isiko. It will revolve around culture because it's cultural affairs. There's evolution in almost everything. There's evolution in our cultural attires. Ungahlaba omunye umuntu na umbona avuselela into ekade yenzeke emandulo. I'm definitely sure ukuthi there are certain pieces that had significant meanings back in the days. Kodwana ngenxa yokukhamba kwesikhathi nangenxa yokuchuguluka kwezinto, izinto lezo zalahleka endleleni. Ngingaberegisa igama lokulahleka. Izinto lezo zafadalala endleleni. Kwavela ezitsha ezireplace izinto lezo. Njeke nangizokubuyela emandulo kodwana ngisesikhathini sanje ngiyokuthatha into ethize ngiyifake embathweni lami. May not be shamed. Because like I said, there's an evolution in everything. Singabangiswa ukukhuluma isingisi and blame colonialism and blame the Western world. Ngombana izinto bengeke zihlale zinjalo. Iye emandulo isingisi bebangasazi ngoba bebanga nama resources okuya esikolweni bayokufunda. Thina sina ama resources lawo namhlanje. Sisifundile isingisi. Komsihlatshwa thiwa ukhuluma ngezinto zesiNdebele nofana ukhuluma ngezinto zesiko kodwana ukhuluma isingisi. That's evolution. If you were to understand why namhlanje singasawulalela umhatsho siziyela ku YouTube siyokubukela ama podcast, you'd understand the depth meaning of evolution. Siyathuthuka. Angeke sihlale endaweni eyodwa. Lilimo liyathuthuka, imbatho liyathuthuka. Ngendlela izinto zenzeka ngakho eSouth Africa nofana lapho wena uhlala khona kuyathuthuka. Njeke ngalomzuzu mina ngikhuluma nomuntu othanda isiko, nomuntu ozibuza kubona ithando lami lesiko ngingalihlanganisa njani emhlabeni esiphila kuwo namhlanje, ngisho the digital world. Yes, it won't be easy to fit in because you are coming with something that is different from what is made a norm. It's easy to be an influencer but not influencing our brands. Be a culture preservationist. Be a culture enthusiast. Be a culture influencer. Siyazi ukuthi nasibona wena, sibona ikambiso yonke yesiko ikhamba lapha because that's what you represent enkundleni zakho zokuthindana. Take advantage of the digital world. Because ngoba thina namhlanje sihlala phansi sivulela umabona kude basho sifuna ukubona bona kwenzekani in the world of culture. Namhlanje sivulela umhatsho just to hear bona thiwani about the world of culture. But we've became internet junkies to such an extent ukuthi ngifuna ukuyokuthi isiko lesiNdebele on YouTube and be able to come across your videos, to be able to come across your content whereby you embrace your culture, whereby you embrace being a culture preservationist. In simple terms, take advantage of the digital world and merge it with what people think it's not possible.